o'clock and we're trying to get out, but the traffic is jammed. I wish you'd run your car, then you could be...
Everybody's getting frustrated. So they're going to get out and have a fight now.
You should bring your car, then you could be the head, the lead beeper. Beep.
So everybody's beeping to get out because they've had enough. Chaos. Thorpe Park chaos, people trying to get out and they can't. They're sending round and round in circles and they're getting frustrated and peeping, just going round and round and round and round. I'm not going to even try and get out. Now we are trying to find our way out of Thorpe Park. Let's see how long it takes. See how long it takes.
Consumers, but as Keith said there, and WH Smith also say actually only 184 shoppers had commented on its stores in the survey, because not all 10,000 commented on WH Smith, but within the survey 184 said that WH Smith was, and that was the most. Thank you, Jamie, who's emailed me an old advert from WH Smith. At these prices, TDK tapes sound good. Yes! Cassette tapes. I do remember buying those. There's a personal cassette player here for £27.95.
I'm not stopping moving.
Do you see me in front?
No, my footsteps. Really sorry. It's my fault.
Can you reverse it a little bit?
I'm trying to.
A bit more. Bumper damage. Wing and bumper damage.
Okay, I'll give you my details.
Yeah.
No, it's my fault, mate. It's
okay.
Absolutely okay.
Screaming out of the revolution.
But it's okay, you know. Last night was Inferno, I think. And one of my children was a guilty party.
Oh, I love a bit of Inferno. There's sticky
Follow the
floors
discovery.
Oh yeah, but if it's just people in Inferno, I'll live with it. It's brilliant right now.
Well, listen, Free, it's lovely to chat with you, and yeah, hunker down for the storm that's on its way. We know the storm's on its way because Fee's dog Nancy is doing something. She knows when the storm's on the way because Nancy starts stirring. She's going crazy again, apparently. So we know the storm is on its way. Hugh in Plasto, thank you very much for your...
So after I let the insurance company know about the minor accident at Thorpe Park, I thought I would try and get the car repaired by the Land Rover dealer in Sheffield, which is Guy Salmon. I called them up and told them someone bumped my bumper from behind and I need a quote to get it replaced. Then they referred me to Sytner BMW, also in Sheffield, which I'm now off to get a quote from. So a bit disappointed that the Land Rover dealer in Sheffield cannot fix something as simple as a bumper. 10 minutes and still waiting for Sytner to do my quote for the bumper. 1 o'clock I booked in, I was on time and they just sat me down and I'm waiting now. I've just been down Sytner, it's going to be over £1,000 for that little bumper. Says to do it through there, Sytner Drive, approved body shop thing. If the insurance is not clear that you don't pay for anything, your premium doesn't go up, they'll take care of everything. Just call them a number and say Pete gave you the number. So that little bump, expensive, going to replace the bumper and the panels apparently. So let's go then. See what the invoice is when I finally receive it. Estimate. So we're back from Sytner's and they're going to be emailing me the quote in an hour, he said. Gave me this little booklet saying if I don't go through my insurance, they'll handle everything. Do the repairs and claim the cost of the other driver. Took photos of the area. It says, like I said, this panel is part of this. It's a bit weird. This panel, this panel and this. So that little bump is going to cost over £1,000. Ridiculous, isn't it? Over £1,000 easily. So it's now 4 hours since I'm back from Sytner's BMW. When it was supposed to be Guy's Salmon, but they proved useless and told me to go and get the bumper done from Sytner's BMW. Anyway, it's 4 hours since I come back and no invoice has materialized. It's supposed to have come 3 hours ago. So they're just wasting my time, so I'm just going to let Morethan take care of replacing the bumper and we'll see what happens. They should not charge me any excess because obviously it's not my fault. Should claim it all from the other party's insurer. So let's contact Morethan and get the ball rolling so we get the bumper back to the way it was before she hit it. Is it loose? Sturdy enough to drive, just going to waste my time now. Potentially increasing premium. It's the 4th of June 2018 and just called Morethan's repairer nationwide repair centre, and they're going to come and collect the car on the 12th of June, so 8 days time. Drive it down to their centre near Derby and they're going to leave an automatic and we'll see what automatic they leave. Doubt if it's going to be a Land Rover, but they're supposed to leave similar. Let's see what they leave. It's only a small bump. Let's see how long it takes for them to fix it, so you know what to expect if you're involved in an accident with Morethan, whether they're efficient or not. It's a tiny bump. If it was my fault I would have just left it. Obviously it's not my fault, so they need to fix it. Replace the whole bumper. I don't know if they'll replace this though. We'll see. I'll do a proper pre-collection check just to make sure they don't leave it in a worse condition when they collect the car. So we'll do that before they collect the car on the 12th. It's not a big deal that it's on the 12th because it's completely drivable, and if you didn't know you probably won't even notice. But for the driver's fault and they need to get it back to the way it was before they hit it.